Good morning friends. In this video we will try to solve one more problem regarding projection of line. So I hope you already have done the previous example. Let's solve one more problem regarding projection of line. So problem is line AB is having its end A 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. That means position of A is in first quadrant. It is inclined at 45 degree to the HP and 30 degree to the VP. That means this is true inclination of with respect to HP and VP. The end B is below HP and behind VP. That means position of B is in third quadrant. Here the line is in not first quadrant. So make sure you remember this. Draw the projection of line AB if the plan length is 80 mm and also find the true length of the line. So plan length is nothing but length of top view. Length of top view is given 80 mm and inclination with respect to HP and VP is given. So that is 45 and 30. Let's list out the data. So position of A is given. Position of A is in first quadrant and length of top view is 80 mm. Objective is to find the true length, right? So let's start with the problem. Let's take first the reference plane XY. So this is our reference plane XY. First task is to locate the point A. So point A is 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Let's locate the point A. So point A is 10 mm above HP. So this is our point A and 30 mm in front of VP. So this is our point A, right? Now length of top view is given, that is 80 mm. So top view length, let's make an let's draw the length of top view. Let's say AB2 is our length of top view, which is nothing but 80 mm. Now see, here you have two options. Either you can draw the position of point B in this direction at an angle of 45, or either you draw the line in this direction at an angle of 45. Because our point B is in third quadrant, its front view will lie below the reference line XY. Its front view will lie below the reference line XY. So in this case, projection of point B will lie below reference line XY. Below reference line XY. So A dash as a center and draw a line at 45 degree in this direction. Draw a line at an angle of 45 degree in this direction. Right. Similar way, top view of this point B, if the point B is in third quadrant, will lie on this horizontal plane. Now if you rotate this horizontal plane, so it will lie on this coincide on this vertical plane. So top view of the point B, if the point is in third quadrant, will lie above the reference line XY. Above the reference line XY. So yeah, so make an first locate the true length, or let's say locate the true length. So this is the true length line. Still now we don't know how much length it has, but we certainly know that it will lie at an angle of 45 degree with respect to this horizontal plane, right? So now our basic rule is length of top view will give you true length in front view. So this is true length in front view. Now if you project this length of top view, you will get true length in front view. Now intersection of these 2 points will be, let's say, point B1 dash, and intersection point of these two will give you the locus of B dash. Locus of B dash. Now you have true length in top view. True length is making an angle of 30 with respect to VP. Now let's say point B is in third quadrant, that's why its top view will lie above the reference line XY. So A point as a center, make a line at an angle of 30 degree, at an angle of 30 degrees. So this will give you the direction of true length in top view. Direction of true length in top view. You have true length because true length remains same in both the view. So A dash B1 dash as a radius and A as a center, make an arc to find the locus of B. Make an arc over here to find the locus of B. So let's say this is my true length. Intersection point will give you, let's say B1 will give you the locus of point B. Locus of point B. Now you have locus of point B and locus of point B dash. You have true length in both the views and you have length of top view. So you can easily find the length of front view. AB2 as a radius, make an arc on the locus of B because this is length of top view, right? So it will give you the point B. It will give you the point B and you can find the top view over here. So this is nothing but top view, true position of top view. Now end projection of front view and top view remains same. That's why from point B you can draw the vertical line or vertical line. Let's say this point is nothing but point B dash and you can find the front view, true position of front view. So this is nothing but front view. Now you can measure the true length from this length. Both the length are same. So I hope this example is clear now, or you can solve it by yourself. If you already solved this example, kindly comment the answer. I will give you the solution.